Hi guys, today we are learning how to download a ringtone onto a Huawei Wi-Fi 2017. I don't know if it works on other phones, I only know it on a Huawei Wi-Fi 2017. So this is the product at the end. So today we are learning how to do that. So go to Google or anything you want. And then you need to go to Chubidimobi, but I'll show you how to spell that. You might see it up there, but I'll spell it again. So it's here, Chubidimobi. Press that. And then search up any song you want. I recently just downloaded another ringtone, 7 years. So let's think of another ringtone. So let's do Uptown. Wait, what is it called up? I just do shut up and dance. There. And then now choose any. So I will do this one. Wait. Okay, and then press MP3 audio. And then press MP3 audio again. And then so once you do that, press download, and then it will download. Now then you go to your thing up there, and then you find it. So there, shut up and dance. So what's happening? So we just need to go back and then do shut up and dance, set as ringtone, and call ringtone. And then if someone calls you, it will show up as that ringtone. So I'll just put it back to this one. And then, yeah. So I'll see you till the next video. Like and subscribe and tell me how it was like, if it worked for you or not. So it might work with other devices. So I'll see you till the next video. Bye.